Good food for a good cause. There's a unique tasting event happening tonight to benefit March of Dimes, which works to end preventable maternal health risk and deaths, along with premature births and infant death.
And tonight, the organization is hosting an annual fundraiser event, bringing some of Chicago's most talented chefs all together in one room. Joining us now are Lisa Adams from March of Dimes and Davey Harvey, a Chicago area parent with 3 children who were all born prematurely. But Lisa, let's start with you, and thanks for being with us. Tell us more about the fundraiser happening tonight. How much money is March of Dimes looking to raise, and how would that money be used?
Great. Yeah, well, we're very excited. Our Signature Chefs event has happened for over 20 years now in Chicago, and we bring together some of the best culinary talents in Chicago to give us some tastings throughout the evening. We have a wonderful live auction, also a fund the mission to fund the mission of the March of Dimes, which really is to, as you mentioned, fund preventable preterm birth and maternal mortality, and try and find a reason or a cause why this is happening to so many families in America.
Mm-hmm.
So, Davey, again, all 3 of your children were born preterm between 2015 and 2020. They had to spend several weeks in the NICU. First of all, how are they doing? And after going through this experience, which I can't even imagine for your family, how did you get connected with the March of Dimes?
Well, thanks for asking. They're doing excellent. They're perfect little kiddos now, 8, 7, and 3. You might not ever even know that they were born early, so thank God for that. And we were caught off guard, especially on the first go around with our preterm labor and then the premature birth. And March of Dimes, we didn't have to ask; they came right to us and were extremely helpful in terms of all of the support that we needed, all the information that we needed, because we were just kind of shell-shocked.
Right.
And they provided so much support and things for us that were absolutely vital to our sanity at the time.
Yeah,
beautiful family.
I was just going to say, those photos, beautiful children. Lisa, pregnancy-related deaths have increased over the years, especially among Black women. I know March of Dimes is working to reduce those deaths, but what more can be done to address this issue?
Well, there's a lot of different preventable. As you say, the preventable is the big piece of that, is, trying to provide access to care, but also education to those families to understand the causes and the signs of preterm birth. We're doing a lot of work with hypertension, making sure moms are checking their blood pressure regularly. It's very important for them to be aware of some of the, signs of warning signs that happen when they could be giving birth prematurely. So, a lot of these pieces are outside of just the biological causes, just making sure that we're giving the services that are needed to all moms to be able to have a healthy birth.
Yeah,
so
it's really important. And I know last month I spoke with Congresswoman Robin Kelly, who introduced the Care for Moms Act, which also touches on this subject. So hopefully between March of Dimes and proposed legislation, people will start paying more attention to this. But, really important stuff.
Cannot get the word out enough.
Right.
For any of this. Lisa Adams and Davey Harvey, thanks so much for being with us today, and much success to tonight's event.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
And that Signature Chefs Feeding Motherhood event happening tonight is at the Radisson Blu Aqua Hotel. You do need tickets. We have a link to the details on our website, cbschicago.com.